$5,000, your first $10,000, or your first $1,000, depending on the path you want to.
$100,000 selling digital products like books and all. However, this is a 4 hours long video. Literally no one has time for that. Only to figure out this video might end up in a sales pitch. Thanks to AI, now we can learn super fast. Here is how I learned the 4-hour long 8-step process in just 39 seconds. I copied the complete transcript, tried with my custom GPT, and guess what happened? The AI failed. So I needed an alternate solution. I put the whole transcript in a text pad and turned it into a PDF. Then I uploaded the PDF, used my custom GPT, and now the AI was able to analyze the whole 4-hour long video in just a matter of seconds. And I learned the complete 8-step process. And here I am making a video about it. So this is what we do in order to make $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. We use AI to learn valuable skills and information fast. Then we turn our knowledge into short videos. We upload those videos on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. These platforms send us free traffic to our AI-powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling for us, and when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99, and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.